Hi, my name's Kevin Stanley, and I'm a freshman at Northeastern for mechanical engineering. The kind of classes I take for engineering are a lot of like science and math classes. Um, and the first year of engineering is all pretty much just the same for everybody. And then after that, your sophomore year is when you start branching off into different types of engineering, whether it be mechanical or civil or industrial. A couple of the important classes are like next year I'm going to be taking a class called like mechanics and design, whereas like a civil engineer would take statics, which is basically just like the how stuff is made up and how it reacts under pressure and under forces. So engineering is a broad spectrum, and each one is like very different from each other. At first, the engineering schedule is really strict because here at Northeastern we have the co-op thing where you do internships in your second and third year, and so in that time you really like gotta like learn engineering. So the first couple years, they kind of like cram as much engineering stuff into your schedule as possible. So there's not a lot of flexibility. There's not a lot of electives. I've taken a philosophy class and a writing class. Those are the only two non-engineering classes that I'm taking the first 2 years. But after that, in like the third and fourth years, when you start taking electives and filling in the space in your schedule when things are more flexible. In high school, I took AP Calculus, and that definitely helped a lot because that's like mandatory for engineering and a lot of other majors. And so I just like bumped everything up and got me a free class that I can fill in whenever I want. Um, also, I also took AP Econ because in engineering, like when you go off to get a career, a lot of times the careers end you up in an engineering firm or mechanical. It's very in the like the manufacturing side of the business and getting involved in like manufacturing products, but also engineering in general, especially mechanical, can end you up in the business world. A lot of like high up business people have engineering degrees, and then will go on and get either their masters in business or like me, I'm going to get my minors in business. And so being able to like take AP Econ that definitely helps for if I want to go into business because right now I'm not exactly sure what I want to do, and the options definitely help, which is something that engineering offers. For me personally, I don't think I'm going to be getting a master's in engineering. It's not something that really needs to be done, but it can be. It's something that gives you options. It's kind of like a toss up whether you want to or not. Personally, I don't think I will. A lot of people actually choose to go on to get a master's in business to combine with their engineering to see what they can do with that.